어차피, meaning 어차피 means open quote anyway. In any case, no matter what, close quote. It is used when something will happen regardless of the situation. Anyway, I'm already late. 어차피 안 될 거야. It won't work anyway. 할, base verb 하다 equal to do, meaning 할 is the future attributive form of 하다. Open quote, to do something, will do, to be done. Close quote, it is used before a noun. Examples. 할 거야, I will do it. 할 수 있어, I can do it. 거면, breakdown. 거, short form of got thing. 면, if, meaning 거면 means open quote, if it is, if it's the case. Examples. 그거면 괜찮아. If it's that, it's okay. 내 거면 가져가. If it's yours, take it. 자신, meaning 자신 means oneself, self, oneself. Sometimes confidence in certain contexts. Examples, 자신을 믿어, believe in yourself. 자신 있어, are you confident? 있게, base word 있다, to exist, to have, to be. Meaning is the adverbial form, so that something exists in a way that makes something possible present. It often means in a way that allows, makes something happen. If you're going to do it anyway, do it confidently.